Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Want to talk to you about Tether. Lost its peg. Wow, no different than what happened to USDT, or sorry, Luna UST. Today's Thursday, May 12th. It's 5:15 Eastern Standard Time. Here's an article I found called Tether Dollar Peg Lost and Found. Now, this is what the article said. The Tether peg has been at risk these days, fluctuating between 95 cents and $1. It is by far the most traded token in the cryptocurrencies, with a daily volume well over twice that of Bitcoin. That's huge. Since it is stablecoin, fully collateralized in dollars, should it lose its dollar market value, it would not only fail in its specific and sole purpose, but would crush the entire crypto market. So if that's the case, goodbye Binance, even, because most of their quotes are done in Tether. After the collapse of UST, Tether's algorithm stablecoin, which has well been below $1 for days now. As of yesterday, some fear that to surface that other stablecoins might also suffer a similar fate. Today, the example of USDT fell from $1 to 98 cents, which is a loss of 2% in just a few hours. As a matter of fact, after recovering so quickly from a peg with $1, the price of Tether, or USDT, fell below parity again, but only slightly. It is possible that many among those who operate in the crypto markets are unaware of the fact that the issuer and manager of USDT, namely Tether, allows on its site for anyone to return USDT coins in exchange, and always only for $1. So the CTO of Tether, Paolo Arduino, more than 300 million Tether have been returned in the last 24 hours using this procedure, obviously in exchange for an equal amount of dollars. So he said on a tweet, a reminder that Tether is honoring USDT redemption at $1 via Tether.io. 300 million redeemed in the last 24 hours without a sweat drop. That might be early to say. It's precisely because of this very low risk profitability arbitrage activity that USDT can hardly deviate from its dollar value. Only in the event that this is no longer possible would the value of USDT be truly at risk. It is worth noting that other major stablecoins such as USDC, BUSD, that's the Binance one, but also DAI, TUSD, and Paxdollar are worth more than $1 in the markets today. That is because the demand is clearly exceeding their supply in the market. Perhaps of the small flight from USDT that is taking place. Until yesterday, USDT market capitalization was 83 billion, while this morning it fell to 82.3. It is therefore a small flight, because perhaps due to those who fear will not be able to continue to pay $1 all USDT that it should be returned to the issuer. It is quite obvious that there has been a lot of irrationality in the financial market days now, and combined with panic makes so that even stranger things happen during selling USDT on the crypto markets at 98 cents directly on the Tether site at $1. So that might be an arbitrage trade that people might be taking advantage of. So again, here's another article, newsbtc.com. Tether CTO says USDT dollar remains strong amid stablecoin crisis. Again, we already know about this. down to 20.98 cents. But the CTO, same guy, and Bitfinex chief technology officer took to Twitter to ensure people that 300 million USDT tokens have been redeemed on their dollar peg over the last 24 hours. So these assurances I don't think I'd take too seriously. They're very well known to have questionable backing of what they call commercial paper, which came out as Chinese national debt. I think it was Evergreen, Evercore, bad U.S. property debt from China. So CTO has given his insurances. He points out they maintain stability through multiple black swan shifters and highly volatile markets, never refusing redemption with them either. I don't know. Tether continues to process redemptions normally amid some expected market panic following yesterday's market, in spite that Tether has not and will not refuse redemption to any of its customers, which have always been in practice as long as the good days are here. We know about, as I said, Luna UST, so that may end if things continue to get worse for them. Market is uncertain. It can be hard to make decisions. I don't know. Here's another tweet he followed up. Unlike these algorithmic stable coins, Tether holds a strong, conservative, and liquid portfolio that consists of cash and cash equivalent, such as short-term treasury bill, money market funds, and commercial paper holdings. That's the Chinese one I was talking about, from A2 and above rated issuers. The CTO believes that stablecoins will continue to be a vital cog in the crypto space despite the Luna UST situation caused some people to lose confidence in their ability to redeem token swaps for their $1 peg. Said that he chose not to think people have lost trust in centralized stable coin. This is where it gets weird. On the contrary, when you look at this chart of this collapse of UST, I will always use them because they have a way for traders to interact with the larger crypto ecosystems. Stablecoin UST and Luna collapse may have sent shockwaves throughout the market. However, customers could exchange Luna for UST or vice versa, and the relationship was pretty straightforward. When the price of UST fell below its dollar peg, a lot of people started trading it for Luna. This was called arbitrage trading because people were burning UST to get $1 worth of Luna, which they would then sell for a profit. Just because so many people were doing this, the value of Luna kept dropping. Wow. People lost that much confidence and trust in Luna and Terra over this UST thing. The Crypto Fear and Greed Trader Index measures how people feel about cryptocurrencies. It is in the extreme fear range, which means that investors aren't feeling too good about it. Stablecoins have been a keystone for stability in the cryptocurrency market or world. Still, recent events such as 2020's bumpy ride Luna and UST team up to affect other prominent US dollar pegged coins. Alright, so if you enjoyed that and you want to know more and want to know how to retain value and build it, just watch this 2-hour video. It's available at quantlabs.net/video. banking. Thanks for watching.